Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can have pretty booths in the Grow a Garden farmers market event. If you go to the booth shop here, you are able to purchase it. Unfortunately, you have to use Robux for this. So there's this one which contains these items. It's also random. And there's also the artisan container which contains these items. You can also purchase some trade signs here, which again, you do need Robux for it. But yeah, that is it. Unfortunately, you cannot trade seeds. I don't know, I think it's better that way, and it lags every second, so you just have to be patient with it. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can change the display of your booths. But that's pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Oh, somebody just purchased one. Damn. Got a lot of money. Would you like to give me some? That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.